Have you ever wondered how people make money online?
Yeah, I mean, I've made money online, but what I've been missing is a system.
Well, discover their secret. We're going to share it with you. Learn the secrets of successful online earners. You know how you're going to do it?
How am I going to do it?
Is that how I sounded?
Yeah, just talk.
All
Okay,
right.
everybody wants to know
Yay.
secrets of successful, like really successful rock stars. As always, we give you an affirmation or a tip or something. Thing one, I am capable of creating unlimited income for myself. I am capable of creating unlimited income for myself. That is true.
And two, I am grateful for the wealth and prosperity in my puppy's life.
And
I am grateful for the wealth and prosperity in my life.
in your life. So this is what I'm just going to do is
Easy
go
for
to,
you to say.
yeah, apparently. Go to wealthyatlast.com, get your free blueprint right now, join a community of 26,000 entrepreneurs just like you. And look, uh, we want to retire with plenty of money. So join us and subscribe to us and be friends with us.
Follow us everywhere.
Yeah, follow us everywhere. We won't be paranoid if you do that. Okay, bye.